Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to Fix 365. Hope you guys have a great day. In today's video, let me walk you through how to replace a broken power cord 2-pin plug without using special tools. So let's get started. So here I'm currently using only a manual wire stripper, a screwdriver, and a pair of scissors. It just takes me around 5 minutes to fix this broken plug from the extension cord. And here is step by step how to get it done. First step, fully remove the broken plug from the power cord. Mostly when the power cord end got problem, then the electrical wire might short out, which is very dangerous to us. That's why we need to fully remove the broken plug, including the part of the cord end. So I just use a wire stripper and fully cut this broken plug and the end part of it out of the cord. Next step, prepare a new power cord plug for replacement. Most of the power cord or extension cord 2-pin plugs are much available in the local electrical stores, or even you can buy it from the webs. Here I've chosen a typical 2-pin plug from the local store. Next step, get a measurement for wire stripping. The easiest way to measure the wire for stripping part is to put the wire on top of the new plug and get an approximate length for it. Or another way is using your index finger and mark it up to 2 knuckles of the finger. Now remove the wire outer layer. Once you've marked the part, now use the wire cutter and gently roll and press on the wire outer layer and remove its layer. Don't press it too hard that the wire might be cut off. Next step, remove the outer layer of the inner 2 smaller wires. At this point, I'm using the wire stripper and hold press and drag the outer cover out of the electrical wire. Again, the approximate measurement of this part is around 1 index finger knuckle. Next step is to twist the wire ends. Twist both of the wire ends to prevent fraying and for easy installing into the plug's pins. Now install the screws. Here in this step, opening the new plug screw by a screwdriver. Then put the twisted wire into its pinhole and install the screws firmly. Do this one by one. Last step, put the pins into its tray and lock the plug cover. Put the pins into its order, make sure that 2 screws facing each other, and cover the plug and lock it with the screw and bolt. Notice that for easy steps of fixing these types of broken power cord plug ends, you need to have at least a basic electrical skills like cutting the wires, twisting the wires, and installing nuts and bolts. It can be easily done that way. And that's it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix 365 for more fixing videos later on. Bye for now.